Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this really easy baked cheesecake with a red velvet base. It's super simple, so let's get started. The first thing you want to take is a box of red velvet. You're going to measure out half and you're going to follow the directions. So we need all of the wet ingredients all together in a bowl. We mix those until they're really well combined, and then we're going to add it to our dry ingredient and we're going to mix it until it's really smooth and pour it into a lined tin. The next thing that we're going to do is take our cream cheese. I'm using Philadelphia because I just find it's the best for this recipe. So I use Philadelphia. I mix that until it's smooth, and then I'm going to add all of the other ingredients and mix it in until it's really well incorporated. Don't overmix it though, because you don't want more air bubbles than you need. Then you tap the base so that you get rid of some of those air bubbles, and you're going to pop it in the oven. To make the cream cheese frosting, you're just going to take your ingredients and mix them together until they're smooth. This will happen better if all of them are at room temperature, so I recommend that. If you want more cream cheese frosting, just make double the amount. I like a thin layer, but you might want more. These need to be really cool. This is very important. Your cream cheese is going to melt if they are not cool. So I'm using some of the cream cheese frosting as like a glue. And then I'm putting together the top and the bottom, and I'm going to pipe my cream cheese frosting on and just make a nice smooth layer across the top. Next, you'll need a sharp knife, and I'm going to cut off the edges, and I am keeping those. You obviously could just have them as a baker's treat and eat them, but I'm using the base as part of my decoration, so I put them to one side. So I've crumbled up some of those bits from the sides, and I'm decorating the top along with just some chocolate sprinkles. This is just for decoration. It doesn't really add anything, but I just like the visual of it. So I cut it into three, and then I cut each piece into three or four, depending on my mood, and I pop it in the fridge. These are better made the day before. So this ages really well, so it makes it perfect for parties or dinner parties. So keep this in the fridge. It'll keep really well for 4 days. And I really hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.